In my last video, I have showed you how to create an app inside Google AI Studio and deploy it on Netlify using GitHub. That method was great for people who wanted a simple and quick way to make their app live on a custom domain using free hosting platforms. But today, we are taking it one step ahead. In this video, I will show you how to deploy your app directly on Google Cloud without needing Netlify or any other external hosting tool. This is one of the most reliable and secure ways to make your app live because everything stays inside the Google ecosystem. From the AI Studio where you build your app to Google Cloud Run where you will host it. We will go through everything step by step. First, we will understand what is Google Cloud and its benefits. Then, how to set your Google Cloud project. Then, how to enable billing safely. And how to deploy the app directly from Google AI Studio to Cloud Run. And how to access your live public URL once deployment is complete. By the end of this video, your app will be live on Google Cloud with your API key fully protected and your code hosted securely. No manual setup, no external servers, and no risk of exposing your credentials. So, if you have built something cool in Google AI Studio and you are ready to make it public the right way, stay tuned because I will walk you through the entire process in just next few minutes. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more AI and tech videos. Let's first understand what is Google Cloud. Google Cloud is Google's powerful platform that lets you host apps, websites, and APIs on the same infrastructure that powered YouTube and Gmail. It gives you secure, scalable hosting, meaning your app can handle any number of users easily. With tools like Google Cloud Run, you can deploy your app in just one click, directly from Google AI Studio, without worrying about servers and configuration. It's fast, safe, and perfect for anyone who want to make their AI Studio app public with Google's reliability behind it. Let's start by deploying with Google Cloud Run. So, for this tutorial, I have already created a scientific calculator app inside Google AI Studio, as you can see here on the screen. Now, it's time to take a next step and deploy this app directly on Google Cloud. So that's it will be live, shareable, and accessible from everywhere. Just hit the deploy app button, then choose existing cloud project or create new one. I am naming it Scientific Calci or whatever your app is. You will get a notice explaining that your app will be reachable at a public URL and that your AI Studio API won't be exposed in app but will still be used behind the scenes. This is the key advantage of using Cloud Run through AI Studio. Your API keys stays protected. Here is why that matters, because your AI Studio keys has daily usage limits. If you accidentally include it in client-side code, someone could open, view, source, or the browser console, grab the key and drain your quota. With Cloud Run via AI Studio, Google keeps the key server-side and secure. Now the next step is enabling the billing section. So for enabling the billing on the cloud project to continue, there are no automatic charges unless you intentionally upgrade to full pay-as-you-go. But it's wise to review the platform terms. With Google Cloud, you also unlock access to the Gemini API's pay-as-you-go plan, which gives you higher rate limits, faster response times, and access to advanced AI capabilities beyond the free tier. This means your apps can handle more users, process more requests, and integrate smarter AI features without running into usage limits. As a bonus, Google gives you $300 in free credits. that you can use over the next 90 days on Gemini API and other Google Cloud services like Cloud Run, Firebase, or Cloud Storage. These credits are perfect for experimenting, testing, or scaling your first few AI powered apps without spending anything. And the best part is there are no automatic charges. You only start paying if you choose to upgrade to a full pay as you go account. Even then, any remaining free credit stays in your balance until it's used. So, you get full flexibility, complete control, and the freedom to build, test, and deploy with Google's world-class infrastructure supporting your app every step of the way. Now simply sign into your Google account, click agree and continue, and follow the quick setup steps. The best part is Google Cloud does not automatically charge you. You will only be billed if you later decide to manually upgrade to a fully pay-as-you-go plan. So for now, you are completely safe to use free tier. Just set up your preferable billing details. You will not be charged, so don't worry and get started. Once you did this, just go to Google AI Studio and refresh. After billing is enabled, click Deploy App. The build will run and you will receive a public URL for your app. Click it and you are live. And that's it. Our app is now live on internet. This is the public URL of our app. It's hosted completely free on Google Cloud. Let's open the link. And yes, it's working perfectly. The app is up and running. You can now share this link with your friends, team members, or anyone who want to try your app. It's live on internet and fully functional. And here is a bonus tip. You can even convert this web app URL into an APK file and turn it into a mobile application. I have already covered that process step by step in my previous video. So make sure you check that out if you want to bring your Google AI Studio app to Android as well. You can also open the service in Cloud Run to inspect the details, run tests, or redeploy new versions. If you prefer, connect GitHub repository directly so you can keep working in full production without relying on AI Studio prototyping environment. So that's how simple it is to deploy your app directly on Google Cloud using AI Studio. You get a powerful hosting solution, seamless integration with the Gemini API, and $300 in free credits to explore everything Google Cloud has to offer. It's fast, secure, and completely beginner friendly. Perfect for anyone who want to make their AI project live without touching a single line of backend code. Start experimenting, deploy your ideas, and take full advantage of the tools Google gives you for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe my channel. Let me know in comments next video you want on which tools or topics. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.